Hey guys, beautiful day here today. All the leaves are off the trees. Got them all cleaned up. So today Keith and I are going to do work on the Fargo. We're going to go to the doghouse. Yeah, so stick around. See what we're going to do. Today we're going to put the headliner in the Fargo again. We put it in before, but it started to sag. So today we're going to get in the Fargo. We're going to glue it right to the ceiling. We already took the headliner out. Now we're getting ready to put contact cement all over the ceiling and all over the headliner itself. We've already done one coat of contact cement. Now I'm going to put another coat on. Then we're going to be very, very careful and stick it in. We only get one shot at this here. So here we go. You're rolling.
Now we're recording Andy applying contact cement.
Contact cement. Well, I guess better get another roller, right?
Yeah, that one's done. Yeah. Yeah, that one's done. Did his time. Swore it. There we go. Andy's got a new roller.
Yeah.
Good to go.
There we go. Now get a little bit in here. I guess I should have a respirator on.
Might help.
That'd take all the fun out of this here.
Yeah. You wouldn't get high then.
No. Or a headache.
Yeah.
There. Here we go. We let that dry. About 20 minutes. No, it's good. Well, we got her in. Got some major league supports going on here.
Yeah, heard the driver now.
Yeah. So we just push that up there for the time being. It's contact cement, so it should be good, but there's still a little saggy. So we figured we'd shove that up there for 10 minutes or so, and then should be good. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Just can't drive for a little bit. Anyway, we'll bring you back when we get her all done. There we go. That'll hold her up.
Okay, we're here.
Okay, we're going to take all the lumber out now and see if the roof stays up. The beach that way.
Beach is that way. Brought to you by.
There we go. Vina Rat Rod.
Rat Rod.
Well, we got it all done, guys. It's looking good. Yeah, right on. I like it. Headlight is back up where it should be. Looking pretty. Now to clean up the mess. Oh, what happened to Keith? Sorry, buddy. Anyway, gotta go. Talk to you later. Bye now.